Hello friends, this is Advocate A.R.PATHAN. Today we are going to cover topic legal notice. What is legal notice? So legal notice is something which is sent by someone to you claiming certain thing or demanding certain thing. That is called the legal notice. So you should take a notice of that. And that is sent as a legal notice, means in terms it is sent by the advocate of that person on behalf of that person, and the motive is that to inform you that there is something which you need to take care of, which you need to address, or else he is going or she is going to take appropriate action before the appropriate authority. So in legal notice, what someone has to do, either you are sending a legal notice or you are responding to a legal notice. It is also important to respond to a legal notice. In case you are sending a legal notice, then certain things which needs to be taken care of, that the details like your name, address, contact details. Thereafter, the issue which you are going to address, that needs to be properly drafted. That issue needs to be properly mentioned. That transaction, if you are claiming something, then what you are claiming, for what reason you are claiming, and the reason behind that, brief details of that, it is required. If you are sending the legal notice for check bounce 138 NI Act, then certain things needs to be taken care of that while mentioning the check bounce notice, details of check, the legal liability of that person against that check number, drawn bank, when did you receive the bank memo, and there is a time frame. So there is a time frame for legal notice. Like in check bounce case, there is 15 days needs to be given to the respondent to reply you. So the legal notice has a certain mandatory things which needs to be taken care while drafting the legal notice, while informing, while addressing to someone else. Hence, it is better to be drafted by an advocate, because an advocate who knows the law will draft it appropriately and will send to the opponent in an appropriate manner. And definitely when the things are going to be sent and as addressed as a legal notice, then that should be proper in place. Otherwise things would be might be something against you. You might mention something which you have not taken care mistakenly, or you are mentioning something but that meaning is coming something else in a sentence. You want to say something else, but the way that is mentioned, that is giving a wrong perception or wrong meaning. So it is advisable to send the legal notice through an advocate and to respond the legal notice in case if you have received from someone, then that needs to be responded, and that response should be by an advocate, because an advocate knows what is your legal right, how to defend you, and the thing which you actually want to respond, that factual should be drafted properly by an advocate, and he knows better that how that should be responded, which is the appropriate way to respond. But again, if the advocate won't respond and if you don't mention the proper facts, the meaning might get different, or in case if you have forgotten certain things to be mentioned, then that might create the problem. So that is what the legal notice is. Thank you friends. In the next topic, next session we will cover another topic. Thank you.